Are you finding smooth chord transitions tough? Well, maybe you've been playing for a couple of years and even with all this practice, you still feel like a beginner. So what we're going to do in this video is one thing and one thing only, and that's serious practice. What we're going to do is using the chords in the key of G major. We've got three majors, which are G, C and D. And we've got three minor chords that we're going to use. We've got A minor, B minor and E minor. We're going to play two bars. The first bar will always be G major. The second bar will be another chord. And we're going to go round and round and round those two chords for about a minute. We'll be using 4/4 time, so you'll just be strumming just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your strumming simple, use downstrokes and that's it. We're going to use a drum machine to keep us in time, and we're going to be playing at approximately, no not approximately, we're going to be playing 60 beats per minute, which is one strum every second. So this is all about taking one small step forward and really focusing on just making chord changes smoother. So let's dive into this slowly and confidently. I hope you're ready, I hope you're in tune, and I definitely hope you've got your guitar. Here's the first pair of chords, and that is G major to C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our next pair of chords is the G major to E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're sitting comfortably and you're not tensing your body, you're not tensing your shoulders, you know, your wrist is a little bit relaxed, okay? Because the last thing you want to do is, you know, feel very, very tense, because that can really wreck a simple practice session. Our next practice is G to A minor. G major to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have G to B minor. But how are your fingers holding up? Are they stinging a little bit yet? I hope so. Right, here we go. G to B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is G major to D major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me know down in the comments which of those chord pairs you found most difficult. Check out these videos here for more practice sessions. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy strumming.